When homeowners in Phoenixville talk about window and door installation, one name comes up again and again: EcoView Windows and Doors of Greater Philadelphia. Recommendations don't happen by accident. They're earned through consistent quality, honest service, and results that homeowners can see and feel every day. Here's why so many Phoenixville residents confidently recommend EcoView to friends, neighbors, and family. A customer-first approach from day one. What sets EcoView apart is how they treat customers from the very first conversation. There's no pressure, no confusing sales tactics, and no rushing homeowners into decisions. Instead, EcoView focuses on understanding what each homeowner actually needs, whether that's better insulation, improved curb appeal, or stronger security. Their consultations are informative and relaxed. Customers walk away knowing their options, understanding pricing clearly, and feeling confident about their choices. That transparency builds trust, and trust is the foundation of every strong recommendation. High-quality products built for real homes. EcoView doesn't believe in one-size-fits-all solutions. Their windows and doors are designed to perform in real-world conditions, not just look good in a showroom. Phoenixville homeowners appreciate that EcoView products deliver noticeable improvements in comfort, energy efficiency, and noise reduction. Drafty rooms become comfortable. Outside noise fades. Heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard. These everyday improvements are often what prompt customers to recommend EcoView without hesitation, because the results are immediate and long-lasting. Skilled installation makes the difference. Even the best windows and doors won't perform well without proper installation. EcoView's installers are known throughout Phoenixville for their professionalism, precision, and respect for homeowners' spaces. Crews arrive on time, protect floors and furniture, and complete installations efficiently without cutting corners. Homeowners often mention how smooth the process feels, from removal of old units to final cleanup. That level of care turns what could be a stressful home project into a positive experience worth talking about. Honest pricing with no surprises. Another major reason EcoView is so widely recommended is their straightforward pricing. Customers know exactly what they're paying for and why. There are no last-minute add-ons or unexpected fees after the work begins. EcoView also helps homeowners find solutions that fit their budgets without sacrificing quality. That honesty goes a long way in earning referrals, especially in a close-knit community like Phoenixville. Energy efficiency that pays off. Phoenixville homeowners are increasingly focused on lowering energy bills and improving home efficiency. EcoView's windows and doors are designed with that goal in mind. Improved insulation, tight seals, and modern materials help reduce energy loss year-round. Many customers notice savings on their utility bills soon after installation, reinforcing their decision and making them more likely to recommend EcoView to others looking for smart home upgrades. A reputation built on real results. The most powerful advertising EcoView has isn't marketing, it's word of mouth. Homeowners recommend EcoView because they've experienced the difference firsthand. Projects are completed as promised. Questions are answered clearly. Problems are addressed quickly and professionally if they arise. That consistency has helped EcoView Windows and Doors of Greater Philadelphia become the most recommended installer in Phoenixville, not just for one-time projects, but for long-term home improvement partnerships. The clear choice for Phoenixville homeowners. When you combine quality products, expert installation, honest service, and a genuine commitment to customer satisfaction, it's easy to see why EcoView stands out. Phoenixville homeowners don't just choose EcoView, they recommend them with confidence. For anyone considering new windows or doors, EcoView Windows and Doors of Greater Philadelphia has earned its reputation as the installer people trust and gladly recommend.